Number 8.
Oh,
Will be adjourned for 2 weeks, my lord.
you are Mr.
Ajat, yeah.
A.J. Atia. On request made by A.J. Atia, learned counsel for petitioner. List after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
I beg to mention a motion matter regarding selection upon the government matter is very urgency. Respondent, private respondent already selected. Maybe appointment immediately. So let me know on Monday, my lord. I'll obliged.
I beg to mention for listing, my lord.
Hmm?
Listing.
Yes.
Orders matter. Reading is complete.
28.
My lord.
28.
22, my lord.
Item 1 for motion.
You are appearing?
Yes, I am for from CGC. For CGC.
Non
Central Government.
for the petitioner. MS
S. Borua.
S. Baral and the CGC appears for the respondents. List after 2 weeks.
Item 2.
Please allow.
Mm.
My lord, there is a time frame given in the judgment and
Where's the
order
judgment?
itself.
Where's the judgment?
15, my lord, page 15.
Yes.
There were two petitioners, my lord, read petitioner. Petitioner number 1, his case was considered and he was given appointment. But the case of the petitioner, present petitioner, has not been considered as yet. It's been almost more than period, 2 months now.
Where's the consideration of the petitioner number 1?
So, my lord, this is the case at page 23, my lord. This is the order of this honorable court passed on the information given by the parties that the order has been complied with in respect of writ petitioner number 1. Page 23 and 24, my lord. And case of this present petitioner, writ petitioner number 2 has not been considered. And he is retiring in May, my lord, May this day. Only 3 months left. In case election is declared, my lord, this code of conduct will come into effect and thereafter no hope will be to get the benefit of this government.
Okay, heard, Mr.
R. Sharma.
Learned counsel for petition. Petition notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 1 and 2 by registered post AD. List after 4 weeks.
Item 3.
Well, before the code of conduct
I
comes.
don't know when
Yes,
the code of
yes, yes,
conduct is
still not.
coming.
Yes, my lord.
And you're going to take by registered post, isn't it?
Yes,
So
very
4 weeks has to go.
still one. Obliged.
Well, page 11 is the operative part, directing the respondents to appoint the petitioner.
Page
11, last paragraph. Taking note of the submission advanced by the center, this petition is disposed of, providing the respondent may issue order of appointment to the petitioner, appointing them so my lord, within a period of 6 months,
when was this order passed?
12/5/2020. Page 10.
Till now, nothing has happened.
No, my lord, nothing.
Heard, Mr.
PJSI.
PG Cycle and counsel for petition. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 1 and 2 by registered post ID within 1 week, list after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 4.
Back. In page 9 million, 11% million. Second paragraph, in view of the above and as agreed by the land council of the side, this request is being disposed of by directing the respondent to consider the appeal preferred by the petitioner and dispose the same by the respondent reasoned order as early as possible, preferably within 8 years from the date of receipt of this certificate copy. But till date, nothing has been done. 1 year almost past,
Appeal has not been disposed.
not yet not. Even a hard, not hard, Miller.
Okay, heard. Air worship Learner Council for petitioner. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice
By register post.
on all the respondents by registered post ID within 1 week.
Right.
List after 4 weeks.
5.
What challenge is made to deduction of maintenance from the account, salary account. There is no order from the civil code as such, but then under provisions of the Assam Rifles Act only this deduction has been made.
Where the
But
order?
then my grievance is that no opportunity of hearing was given. At this stage, I pray for notice only.
Heard Mr. P. Pathak, Learner Council for petition. Issue notice. MS S. Bara,
B Sharma.
B. Sharma, Learned CGC.
All lots. Private
All,
party.
all.
No,
Or
there's
not, yeah,
one
yeah.
private respondent.
There is a private
Yes, yes.
respondent here.
For up to 5, 1 to 3.
Why is the private respondent?
My lord, this is the wife, my lord, who is claiming that.
Okay. On behalf, this appearance on behalf of respondents 1 to 4, petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respond number 5 by registered post ID. Extra copies you furnish, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file counter affidavit, list after 4 weeks.
Problem.
6.
6, my lord, the challenge is to discharge order from service, my lord, on the ground that he had earned rating interest, my lord. So here also the record should be necessary. I
Yeah.
pray for notice.
But Mr. P. Pathak, Learner Council for petitioner, issue notice. Appealing for all,
Lordship.
MS,
B Sharma.
B. Sharma, Learner CGC, this appearance on behalf of all the respondents. Accordingly, notice on respondents are complete. Respondents are allowed to file counter affidavit, list after 4 weeks.
Give leave.
7.
None appears for petitioner. Yeah, appearing,
For respondent number 1, Lordship,
Mr.
1 and
A.
6, Lordship.
A. Chakrabarty,
No, Lordship.
government advocate appears for respondents,
1 and 6, Lordship.
list after 2 weeks.
9.
May I please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the petitioners are serving as auxiliary nurse and midwife, Your Lordship. And they are the contractual employees and they are working in the health sub-centers in different districts of Assam. And our nature of duties are same as the nurses who are working in the regular cadre in the department. So we are just praying for the equal pay for equal work, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we will need instructions regarding this particular case.
Have you got instructions?
No, Lordship, we need to obtain our instructions.
Heard
regarding this
MS
And Mahanta.
and Mahanda, Learner Council for the petitioner. Mr.
Lordship, B. Gogo's name may be required.
Mr. B. Gogoi, Learner Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare Department. Is allowed, how much time?
3 weeks time, Lord.
Lordship, kindly a date may be fixed, Your Lordship.
3 weeks time to receive instructions and file affidavit. List on today for 17th. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Okay. 15th.
15th March,
Much obliged. Lord.
deeply obliged.
Item 10,
Password for the time being.
Why?
My senior is just coming here.
Who's your senior?
IT Google. Okay.
They were asked to obtain instruction, Your Lordship, and to file a petition.
Okay, after some time.
Gotcha.
item 11,
Yes.
This complaint is also regarding non-compliance of the order of this number 4. Whoever Lordship is court directed to pay Lordship the DCRG amount along with the interest. The relevant person is pays 19 Lordship.
Who are the respondents?
It is also this is Forest Department, the PCC of there.
Notice served?
No, they have appeared also, Lordship, partly they have complied, partly Lordship they have not complied.
They've appeared.
Lordship,
All the respondents.
Lordship.
Who are the respondents?
So Gogoi was there, Lordship, D. Gogoi was there.
Hmm?
D. Gogoi was there, Dixit Gogoi was there. But me see the last 8/12 orders, Lordship.
8.
8/12/23.
Yes.
May I inform?
You inform?
No.
Was the council here
Lordship, I have seen morning.
in the
D.
morning?
Gogoi, I have seen
Bring him.
Lordship.
item 12,
For my lord, I am sorry, my lord, item number 1, my lord. Due
Mhm.
to criticism, I could not attend so called. Non-appearance part, my lord, may be deleted for that.
Item 1, what did they say? Okay, on request,
Simply 2 weeks, my lord.
on request made by Mr. K. Patkari, Learned Counsel for Petitioner, list after 2 weeks. Yes, what
My
is
lord,
this?
in this case, my lord, non-compliance of the order dated, my lord, 4/11/22, my lord.
Yes,
Respondent alone appeared, my lord.
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Kaur for respondent number 1. Lordship, we have received the instructions to file our affidavit.
okay. But K. Patkari, Learned Counsel for the Petitioner. Mr.
You, Sharma.
U. Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Conroy, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 1. Submits that they have received instructions and they'll be filing the affidavit within
Lordship, 3 weeks.
within 3 weeks. There is allowed list up to 3 weeks.
time being item 10,
With please, Lordship. Lordship, in this case, I pay for 2 weeks time, Lordship. We have not received instruction, Lordship.
Let me pick Your Lordship.
But Mr.
R. Boro, Lordship.
R.
Boro.
Boro, Learned Counsel for the Petitioner. Mr. K. Gogoi, Learned CGC.
Lordship, Lordship.
Prays for 3 weeks time to receive instructions. Prays allowed. List on after 3 weeks is 18th.
18th.
Obliged, Lord.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
March.
Item 13,
Lordship, in this also, in this is also, Lordship, we have to file affidavit.
For respondent,
For respondent number 1,
but K.R. Patkiri, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
Sharma.
U.
on behalf
Sharma,
of Mr.
learned
K. Kaur.
counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Konwar, learned counsel for respondent number 1. You have received instructions?
Lordship.
Received, has submitted that they have received instructions. And praise for,
13.
praise for
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks time to file counter.
Value.
Please allowed
Obliged.
after 3 weeks.
Item 12, I am appearing for respondent number 2.
Okay, item 12.
Yes.
MS
DD Burman.
DD Burman, learned counsel, appears for the respond number.
Respondent number 2, Lordship.
Mm.
And the DLC has already considered, Lordship.
Item number 12.
No, item 12, U. Sharma wanted to file affidavit, isn't it? So let it come,
My lord.
let it be as it is.
Apply.
Value.
item 14,
Your Lordship, the relevant page is at page number 14, para number 16.
Lordship, before that, I want to. Lordship, may I please, Lordship? My senior is out of station, Lordship.
Who's your senior?
KK Parasar is my senior.
No. You are appearing on behalf of
KK Parasar.
respondent number
2. My senior is out of station, Lordship. May fix the matter in it for that, may be given.
Your Lordship, the matter has been pending for a long time and it is not that kind of matter where time can be taken. It's a very time bound.
Notice was served on 18/12.
18/12, Your Lordship. And the issue is with regards to the petitioner going for permanent absorption to another organization. The judgment date is 10/10/2023 and the relevant page is at page number 14. Why I want to point out, because Your Lordship, in compliance of this particular paragraph number 16, Lordship, in view of the aforesaid facts and circumstances, एक पण text করে দিবেন। এখন হেরিয়ে ফেলছি। They have issued this particular no objection certificate so that I can go and join ICA. But they are not relieving me in terms of this compliance of this particular judgment.
Okay, when is your senior coming?
After 20, Lordship. After 20. 20 of this month.
Then we'll fix a date next week.
Your Lordship may then take it up on 26th, Your Lordship.
Okay, heard Mr. D. Bora.
Yes,
Learned
Lord.
counsel for the petitioner. On request made on behalf of Mr.
KK Parasar.
KK Parasar, learned counsel for the respond number 2. List the matter on 26
26th.
Obliged.
February.
15,
Your Lordship.
Hmm.
But the petitioners applied
No, notice is complete or not?
completed. So for service complete for Lazima course order 12/2/24.
1 minute. SLRC, you are appearing.
My lord, I'm appearing for respondent number 1.
Hmm.
However, respondent number 2 and 3 are the concerned authorities.
SLRC
Mr. B. Chaudhary is appearing for respondent number 2 and 3, standing counsel as administrative staff college.
SLRC,
Excellent.
correct? Where is he?
His name is not showing.
The matter may be listed in admission column reflecting the name of Mr. B. Chaudhary, Your Lordship.
Sir, notice may kindly be sent without passing an effective order, madam. Because latest, there is another advertisement, my lord.
You say.
Earlier
No, no,
advertisement.
what do you want?
Notices
My
have
lord,
already been
I
issued.
want that there is a last advertisement dated 31/10/23.
Hmm.
Earlier, we have applied in the year 2015, 16 and 17. At that time, we were within the age limit. But those advertisements were cancelled later on. Then the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam decided that who earlier applied, they shall be given some chance. Kindly see page 44, madam. 44, 21. That there could be clause for relaxation of age for those who had applied earlier. However, appointment order would be issued only after the candidate submits the proof of his applying for the exam earlier. So, as earlier advertisements have been cancelled when we were within the age limit, but now in October 2023, the advertisement, many of us have been overaged. So there is a discussion that their age would be condoned. So our prayer is this, in view of the latest advertisement, that is, my lord, page 70. A petitioner shall be allowed to appear in the examination, provided they submit the proof that earlier they applied.
The only issue is that they are not here, no, the respondents are not present today.
My lord may fix the matter in the admission column,
Oh,
and the learned advocate's name may
My
also
lord,
be reflected in the
No,
course.
that I have no objection, but only notice may go so that it comes within their knowledge.
have you gone through your
Notice
brief?
has already been
Have you
issued.
gone through your brief, Mahmood?
I have can.
Notice was already issued.
8/12/23.
Yes, notice. 8 years. Sorry, my lord. Regarding service, it was there.
Service is
Service it
also
was there.
complete on 1, 2, 3.
Then lordship, it may be fixed for admission.
When is the last date for application?
Earlier,
Pursuant to this advertisement, 31/10/2023.
no, against this you cannot apply because you are now overage.
No, no, no. What is the last date for
Okay.
application? 10th
No,
November
that has
2023.
already passed by.
It's already over, my lord.
That is already over. Our prayer is only that as earlier advertisements have been cancelled. So if we submit the proof that we have earlier applied and admit cards are also given, if we can produce then in the present advertisement, because this combined examination matter. Various departments have been advertised, posts of various departments have been advertised by single.
Okay, heard Mr. M.U. Mahmood, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard MS
U Sharma.
U. Sharma, learned government advocate for the respond number 1. On request made on behalf of B. Chowdhury, isn't that? Learned Standing Council, Learned Standing Council, SLRC. It's the matter when? After
3 weeks, my lord.
after 3 weeks in the admission call.
Pendency may not be barred to consider our
Pendency
Yeah.
of the
And my
state
lord, the
petition-
advertisement is of dated 31/10/23.
Pendency of the state petition shall not be above for the respondents to
to consider the case of the petitions. Highly obliged.
My lord, the name of Mr. B. Chaudhary may be reflected. in the-
Registry is also directed to reflect the name of Mr. B. Chowdhury, Learned Standing Council, SLRC in the cost list.
Timing item 11.
Yes.
Lordship, my senior is on like
Who's your senior?
Dr. G. Kalita.
This is the last item? Yes. This is the last item. What can we do?
Kindly fix the date.
You want a different date? Okay, on request made on behalf of Mr. J. Kalita, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. List the matter. After 1 week,
Lordship, yes, Lordship, a date maybe.
you want a date fix. List the matter again on 28th February.
Nice.